Hello guys, did you just install WordPress? In this video, I'll be teaching you how to easily write a blog post, how to start creating a blog post for your blog. So, if you are a new buyer, you just created a blog, you are trying to write a blog post, or maybe you want to publish a blog post to your blog, but it is not working out, then this video is everything you need to know, as I'm going to teach you how to easily do it at your comfort zone. So when WordPress 5.0 was released in 2019, it replaced the old classic editor with a brand new blog editor nicknamed Gutenberg. So the blog editor introduced a different way of creating content in WordPress. So this is one of the things that people doesn't know about. The Gutenberg replaced the classic editor. Like immediately install WordPress, what is going to be showing there is the Gutenberg. So the Gutenberg replaces all the features that classic editor has. So with this, if you are not familiar in using the Gutenberg, the new editor that WordPress introduced, it's going to give you a hard time in creating content. So if you don't know much about technology, or you just want to blog about, you want to get people informed through your blog, you want to also make money from your blog, then but you are finding it difficult to publish a blog post, then this video I'm going to guide you from A to Z how to do that at your comfort zone. So the classic editor is what we are going to be using in this video. I'm going to teach you how to all the features in classic editor, what they are all about, how to make use of them without making use of the Gutenberg blog editor that WordPress recently introduced. So I'm going to be grateful if you watch this video to the end and share to your friends or thereabout. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new to my channel. Nothing much as I have spoken. So guys, my name is Franklin and let's get started. I'll be sharing you the easy step guidelines how to make a WordPress blog post with classic editor without even using the Gutenberg new editor, which is very hard for people who doesn't know much about it. So in my next video, I'll be sharing you how to do make use of Gutenberg blog editor without having to go extra mile. But it is a bit good to also know how to make use of that one too, because it's going to also help you in the nearest future without having to use install plugins to be able to make a blog post. So but this particular video is I'm going to teach you from A to Z guidelines on how to use classic editor to make a blog post or thereabout. So watch me out as I share to you guys this video that you need everything to do. So all you have to do is follow the guidelines I made in this video. You will be ahead when you will start making a blog post. So let's shoot it right away and subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment, like and share to your friends. Guys, this is your website dashboard, the backend. So you haven't logged into your website. All you have to do is go to your website, any of your website name, whatever you used to create your website, .com, .ng, .co.uk, something like that. Now you want to log in, you put slash wp/login. So it will bring out the WordPress dashboard backend login. So when you have to add your username or email address, then you add your password, then you click on login. When you click on login, your website will open the backend. So this is the backend of your website. When it opens, you see different features like this. So you see features like this on our website, which is home, post, media, pages, comments. This SEO plugin, if you will not see it when you immediately install WordPress. So you have to search for the plugin and install the rank match plugin. So this is appearance, how the theme of your site looks like. we are not going to go in detail about it. So this is a plugin. You install different kind of plugin from this area. This users, where you create users to your website. If you want to have multiple admin to your website, you can equally do that. So this is tools where you erase all your data, import and thereabouts. So this is settings where you set your permalink, your site title and thereabouts. So now we are going to head to what we came to do on how to create a WordPress blog post, how to create a WordPress blog post without using the new version of Gutenberg WordPress features. So now we want to use the old features we normally use, the one that is easily accessible by any users. So we are going to go to plugin, this area of our website, which is the plugin. So when we go to this area, we click on it, or we toggle on it. If you are using device like smartphone, you can just click on it. It will now open all features. But if you are using a laptop, you just need to toggle on it. It will show you install plugin, add new. So we are going to click on add new. So we are going to search for classic editor. So we have seen a classic editor we want to install. This is a classic editor we are going to install to help you create any kind of content, to give you all the features you need. Very easy to do for new buys. So you don't need to use the Gutenberg new features. But also in my next video, I'm going to show you how to easily use the Gutenberg uh, new feature on WordPress. So it's not a big deal because it's also a great features added, because one click you're already done with whatever you are doing. So now all you have to do is once we are here, all you have to do is install the plugin and activate it. So once we have activated it, you can see we need to activate the plugin here, since we already installed it on our website. So this is the plugin, classic editor. We are going to install the plugin. So we click on activate. So now we have activated the plugin. We want to make a blog post. You understand now? We want to make a blog post. So now we are going to click on this particular add new post here. Instead of all posts, we are going to click on add new post. This category, these tags, but you don't need to check on those stuff because we are only going to show you how to add a new WordPress post. Also, I'm going to also show you how to add those tags categories for your blog. For instance, you are writing about tech, or you are writing about entertainment, you're writing about music, you're writing about biography, you're writing about health, and you want to differentiate them different instead of tagging them or leaving it uncategorized. So in this video, I will share you all everything you need to know. So we are going to click on add new. So now this is the dashboard of how and where to add a blog post on your website. So I'm going to write how to create a blog post. So now you have seen the title of our content. You have seen the title of our content. So now WordPress have different features, which are like these features here, the paragraphs. From here, you can headline any of your title of the body of your content. For instance, you are writing about how to create a blog post. All you have to do is introduction. What is blog post and thereabouts. You can just write blah blah blah, whatever you wish to write. So I can choose to write anything, something like blog post. So now this is the body of the content. I'm just giving you example. You can write as much as you want. So now blog post is just to keep users entertained. So now I'm going to add a heading to my blog. So like I will write something like features of blog post. So these are, for example, features of blog post. So now I'm not going to leave it as a normal paragraph. I'm going to make it differentiate from so that users will find it engaging. So this is features of blog post. So all I have to do is come here they wrote paragraph. So here they wrote paragraph. I will just click on it. So when I click on it, you will see different headings like heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, heading 6. So these are pre-formatted headings for WordPress. So all you have to do is if you want to use heading 1, you can use it. If you want to use heading 2, you can use it depending on what you want. If you want to use heading 4, you can use it, heading 5. But I would suggest to go for heading 2 or heading 3. So which makes the blog post easier to like for users to be able to navigate and see it very clearly. So this is it. It looks different from this one. It looks different from the paragraph we have written above here. So now we want to for instance we want to list our contents in a different way. We want to list it on a different way. For example, I want to like okay, they will say features of blog post. I will now give gap on my this thing. I'll paste whatever I have written here. I'll paste it into different um lines. So I'm just using an example to show you something. So now I want to list it in a good order. I want to list it in a well structured order. So all I have to do is come here. This is a related list. So this is a normal numbered list. I want to list content. So the features of blog post. So I have to list it so that it will be good in eyes when users see it. So all I have to do is click on toggle on the listed content I have written. Then I'll come here and click on this. It will now give proper listed. So you can see I just listed it. I just listed it. I just listed it. So now I have listed my content. So I will continue anytime I want to continue. So if I want to number it, I will just if I want to number it, I will just click on the listed post I want to get listed or numbered. So I will just come here, then I will click on it. It will number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and continuously. So it is very simple to do. So now I want to add a link to my post. Like add link to my post. Like I see I want to add a new link to my post, like linking to my other blog post. For example, let me open my site dashboard, my site homepage. So I'll open my site homepage. So I want to link this particular post now to that one I'm about to write. I'll just come here and copy the link, or I can go to my dashboard here. I'll click on all posts. Then I'll click on multiple replacement for housekeepers in Canada. So this is how to do it. So when I open it, I'll just copy the link here. Let me show you. I'll just copy the link here. So once I copy it, I'll go ahead to my blog. But before then, I will not copy the link first. So what I will have to do is copy the title I want to link to and go to this place I'm adding the link. So for instance, I want to link to another blog post. So I will just come here and click copy the link, then go back to the one I want to link it. Then I will go back to the one I want to link it. Then I'll put the link. So this is where you put the link. This is what used to insert link. So for example, come here, this web link here. So when you click on it, it will give you an option on the type of content you want to link it. So I want to link content here. I already copied my link from the one I want to link to. Then I'll paste the link here. Then I'll click on this arrow here and I'll apply. So this is the link and understand. So now I want to categorize my content. Like I'm writing pictures of blog post or how to create a blog post. I'm writing how to create a blog post. This is how to create a blog post. So this is where to categorize it. So this is where to categorize it. I can create any category here and tag the kind of post I want to make. So now I'll just create a category. I will leave parental category. I'll just say blogging tips. So I'll just say blogging tips. I'll click on add category here. I'll click on add category here. Add category. So you have seen my category. It has been added here and you can see it. So now when you have added your category, you can choose to add tags. So tags are what search engines normally use to locate your content. You can use to like you tag your content with anything like how to create blog posts, features of blog posts, care about. So I'm going to copy something here. For example, I'll just say blog sports care about. I will just paste it here, blog sports. I'll click on add. So I've added my tag. So this is my tag. So now I have added everything I need. So now I want to publish my content. Either I choose to publish it or schedule it, draft it, delete it, anything I wish to do with it. So now this is where it comes to. So you see these features pending review, drafts, thereabouts, publish immediately. You can choose the date to get it published. Either you want to schedule the content, you just come here and change the date, time, and whatever you want to change with it. Then you can then come here and click on publish. So, but I'll be publishing immediately. Then nothing more. So I want to add featured image to my post, something like this. So let me show you guys. This is what is called featured images. So this is featured images. This image you are seeing here. So I want to add featured images to my blog post. Now what I have to do is search for blog spots. Whatever image I choose to use, whether it has been created by you or anybody else, then you can save it. So I'm coming to Google to just download picture. If you want to use free images, you can go to pigs bar or something thereabout or iStock. Then you buy images, but I have to download from here just to show you example. So I'll just click on here, then I will download this image here, save it as I will save to my pictures on my system. Then I've downloaded the image to my system. All I need to do is get back to my post I'm trying to make. Then I will come to set featured image, which is showing down here. This is set featured image. So I'm going to click on set featured images. So when I click on set featured images, I'm going to click on upload files. So this is what it's called about upload files, Media Libra. If you already have an image on your website you want to use, you can go to Media Libra. So or you go to upload files, then select files from here. Then you go to where you save your files. You can see this here. Then you click on open. Then once it opens, you can choose to name it anything or anything you want. Title, caption, description, whatever you want to tag it. So I'm not tagging anything. So I just have to set the featured image so you see how it is. So I've set up my featured images, which is here showing here like this. So once I'm done, I will go and click publish my post. So I'll just preview it. So I'll click on publish. So now that I publish my content, I want to see how my content looks like. I'll now head back to my site. I'll click on visit site to open. So you have seen it, how to create a blog post. I've seen how it looks like normal other blog. So I'm going to click on it. I have to read to see how the content looks like. So you can see these the paragraphs. You can write as much as you want. So this is features of blog post. So I've just numbered my post. I added links I want to add or thereabouts. So guys, this is how to create a blog post from your website. If you need other in-depth guidelines on how to create more blog posts or set up your WordPress blog, I have already created that video on my previous video I created last time on how to set up a blog site. So now this is how to set up or create a blog post with these features. You are good to go on like got big new feature of WordPress. So I think this if you find this video interesting and you like it, you can share to your friends, comment, give me feedback of what you feel about this. Thank you for watching.